Put both your hands on the steering wheel.
353. Yeah, 2 Charles unit.
Roll your window down. Hello.
Hi.
Do you know why I'm talking to you?
I don't, but
Because you were just banging on the individual's door asking for somebody else?
okay,
And you're super nervous.
You're a cop.
Yeah, but I pull over lots of people and not everybody has the reaction where their hands are shaking. So you can go ahead and put your hands down.
For one.
I just don't like you reaching while I'm standing here.
Oh, okay, so sorry. I was just looking for, I don't know, her name's Mindy, and I was told, she told me that's where she lived, but then I guess it's not.
What are you doing?
I was coming here to talk to her.
You can put your hands on your lap if you want. That's fine.
I know, I'm trying to block your light. It's
Okay.
very
Do you have your
bright.
driver's license, insurance, and registration?
Absolutely. Am I okay to get it?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm asking you to.
Registration, sir? Registration. Insurance is on my driver's license.
Hey, do me a favor. Move your purse on the other side of the seat.
On this side?
Just push it over to the other side of the seat. What? Why do you have a holster there?
Because my little nephew just got a BB gun and
Where's the firearm that goes in that?
I live in Caldwell. My nephew.
Do you have a gun
I
in the
do
vehicle?
not own a gun.
So why do you have an empty holster on your seat?
Listen, I have a whole bunch of stuff all over my car.
That is correct.
I mean, you can check it out. It's from Walmart. He got it from Walmart, and okay. Yeah. I just got out of jail in Caldwell, guys, and so. Well, I had a warrant for forgery, I guess.
Yes.
Yeah, that's.
Why don't you have an ID?
I know I do have an ID. I do have an ID. I swear to God.
You were super reaching when I pulled up here. Were you hiding dope or something
I
like
don't
that?
have no dope. I don't have anything. I just came over here to talk to her. Okay, because she took my stuff whenever I was in jail, and she told me to come and get it. So that way we can handle it.
5 in the morning?
Do me a favor. I'm gonna take this.
Oh, please take it.
No more reaching.
Whoa, 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 don't grab that. Holy shit, what are you doing? Drop it! So she was storing dope somewhere.
I wasn't
Yes, you
storing
were, because I can already prove to me that you're lying.
Whoa, don't grab that. Holy shit, what are you doing? Drop it!